Segment is sponsored by Martin, Harding and Mazzotti.
Welcome back, everyone. Robert Weinstein and his brother Harvey Weinstein, the embattled Hollywood movie mogul and former head of the Weinstein Company, are under more legal trouble as New York State Attorney General Eric Schneiderman filed suit against them and their company, seeking an unspecified sum to cover damages, plus penalties for alleged abuse by Harvey Weinstein. Now, here to help us break down this continuing legal saga against the Weinsteins is managing partner Paul Harding with the law firm of Martin, Harding and Mazzotti. Paul, nice to have you here.
Thank you.
Thank you for joining us. So why is the New York State Attorney General filing a lawsuit in this case?
So he's doing this sort of preemptively, right? He wants to protect the victims or alleged victims of Harvey Weinstein and Weinstein Companies. What was interesting was the timing. This was filed on a Sunday electronically because there was widespread rumors that that company was going to be sold as early as Sunday or Monday, and at this point, we don't have the sales off. We know that it's certainly delayed.
All right, so you mentioned the sale of the company. What happens if they try and sell the Weinstein Company?
So the general rule, when you have a company and you sell it, you inherit, as a buyer, the liabilities. So the new owners would inherit those liabilities, but things start to get a little bit untouchable for the original assailants. In this case, with Harvey Weinstein, the last thing anyone wants to think is that he's going to kind of skate on this. So the new group has decided to set up a victim settlement fund. They don't know what that's going to be. It was all happening so fast, the Attorney General decided to slow it down.
All right. Kind of a lot of moving parts here. How do you see all of this playing out?
Well, I see it not playing out so publicly, right? I think there's going to be a tremendous amount of settlements going on. I think they're going to be confidential. You know, a lot of the victims don't want to be victimized twice,
right.
So I don't think we're going to hear a lot about it. There may be some, but I think probably in the next 6 to 18 months, this thing will resolve, maybe relatively quietly.
All right. Paul, thank you so much for being here. Of course, something that we will continue to keep an eye on.